Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is being Queen B, and on today's video I am going to take you step by step on this soft glam of my everyday's makeup, especially when I'm not in a hurry. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like and comment, and I will see you on my next video. So as you all know, the eyebrows has to be done, and I'm going to use two shades today. I'm going to use a dark brown and number 3. The dark brown is the company Prestige, and the number 3 is from Devis, and I'm just going to outline my eyebrows before I fill them in. I this time try to shave them properly, and they're becoming sparse day by day, and yeah, it's becoming annoying. I just realized that after watching this video, so anyway, I'm going to fill it in with the dark shade. I'm going for an ombre, so I'm going to fill in with the dark shade, and then the outer part I am going to use the Davis in number 3. Y'all know that the eyebrow has to be perfect, and also the eyebrow is one of the most challenging parts that you have to be done on makeup, apart from the lashes and eyeshadow. So you gotta take your time and make sure it's perfect. Not perfect per se, but as you wish. And I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Conceal in the shade 48, I think. And I'm going to start in with the middle parts, going outwards. I always start with the arch going outward, and that is always with a lighter kind of a shade, which this is one shade lighter than me. Is it 1 or 2 shades? I think it's 1 shade lighter than me. And then I'm going to go in with LA Pro Conceal in the shade called Toffee. Is it Toffee? Yes. And I'm going to go in like that and blend it out. And I'm going also to use my foundation shade on my top. I know this looks lighter than my skin tone, but once it's blended out, you won't notice anything. Actually, it oxidizes more faster than you can think. So I'm just going to blend that out and make it match with my skin. I know my primer is dirty. It has been amongst eye pencils. I was moving out and I forgot to separate things. So yes, after applying that, I am going to go in with color corrector. My skin is facing a very high pigmentation at this time of the year, changing from home and all that, and it is quite tough. I also changed my environment too. Yeah, so I'm also going to go in with the compact powder. You can go in with the setting powder, and also do on your oily parts. So I'm going to mix these foundations, because one is on the red tone and one is on the yellow, so mixing them together get my perfect golden skin tone. So I am just going to go in and blend. I'm going to use the Watershed beauty blender, and I'm going to use that large part to blend it out. At least that does a lot of coverage. It covers the skin much more. Yeah, it takes a lot of space. And don't forget the neck. Even if your face matches your neck, just make sure you don't forget that. I want to use that same concealer and conceal out. This is also on the orange kind of side, so it oxidizes into a very deep red. I just noticed that today and it was not a good look for me, but thankfully I was going to run much more of an errand today, so that is acceptable. As you can see, just look at that. It is more of kind of a just red orange kind of I don't know. My golden skin tone is always a problem. So I'm going to just blend all that out, and for setting powder I'm going to use baby powder. This has been my favorite because it's so light, it blends in so well, it doesn't leave you with flash. You know, there are these setting powders that leave you with a lot of flash when you take your photograph or leave you white. That's why I like using baby powders. I am not the baking kind of girl because I have a combination skin and most parts of my face is dry. Just realized that lately, so I'm not going to bake because that also dries out my skin. I need my skin to be moisturized. For contour, I'm going to go with CoverGirl, and I'm going to just blend it in to the cheekbones and get that dimension that I want, and also do my nose. I definitely don't know how to contour my nose properly because I don't like contouring my nose. Yeah, I just deal with my cheeks and my forehead, so you'll have to forgive me. For blush, I'm going to go with the Muse in the purple. They say it's pink, but it's kind of purple to me. I think pink and purple kind of look the same. I don't know. So I'm going to put those on my cheeks and on my nose. I love color, and I'm always going to love color. So let us go in with eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Maridadi palette from Reina Beauty, and I'm going to use the darkest purple they have. I don't know why I chose purple, but hey, come on. And with that, I'm also going to go in with shimmer, and that shimmer, I thought I recorded it, but unfortunately your girl did not. So yeah. For eyeliner, I'm going to use a Muse, and this has become one of my favorite eyeliners. For mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline, you know. And I already wore my lashes out, so I'm just going to fill in the liners through my, you know. And my waterline, I'm also going to use that same Prestige. For my donor lashes, I'm also going to use that same Sky High mascara from Maybelline, one of my favorite mascaras so far. And I'm just gonna stroke them a little bit, and then we are going to go for the lips. And for the lips, I'm going to use that same eye pencil that I've been using, the Prestige in dark brown. I'm just going to line my lips. And for nude, I'm going to go in with the Milani. There are two shades. I forgot with the shades. I'm going to put them down in the description box below. And I'm just gonna smudge them around, and also use a brush if it's needed to just blend it in. For lip gloss, I'm going to go with Mary Kate. It is a fantastic lip gloss. For highlights or bronzer, all the same, I am going to use Mary Kate too, and just shine it, baby, shine it, shine it, shine it. I don't know, I love blush and highlighter so much because it adds so much warmth and color to your face. For makeup spray, I'm going to use rose water. This has become one of my favorites since my face all of a sudden I'm told is dry. So anyways, yeah, that's that. So guys, that's all I had for you today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like and comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.